Hello world! I'm here again to share with you on how to cook a simple, easy and delicious dessert. It is bubur cha cha. It is a very common dessert in some countries in Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand and Indonesia. It probably has different names, but it is a similar food. Here, we only need 200 grams sweet potatoes and a piece of pandan leaf. This leaf produces nutty flavor and great aroma. And we also need 100 milliliter of coconut milk, 40 grams white sugar, 20 grams sago pearls, 1/5 teaspoon of salt, and 400 milliliter of water. Let's start our cooking. First, we need to boil the water. At highest heat, bring to big boil. Drop in this nutty flavor pandan leaf. I got this leaf from Go Asia supermarket in Stuttgart. Drop in sweet potatoes too. Do some pressing on them to make sure they are completely covered by the water. It is boiling now, so we can switch down the heat to medium-low. Cover it and let simmer for about 12 minutes. Guys, what should I do to the leftover coconut milk? Please check out the link in the description below. 12 minutes over. Let's open the lid. Let me check the tenderness. It is just nice, not too soft, because we still need to simmer it a little while. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Pour coconut milk in. Followed by the sugar. Do some stirring to dissolve the sugar. In here, we need to take care of the coconut milk. Do not leave it while boiling. We can do some tender pressing using the end of spoon to dismiss any bubbles at edges of the pot, because we do not want the coconut cream breaking up and separated from the liquid. We want a smooth and beautiful milk, and it takes about 2 minutes to simmer it. After that, we can put in the white pearls. It is already boiling. Let's put in the pearls, also the salt. There is a trick in cooking pearls. Please pay attention and follow my instruction. After we pour in the pearls, we need to bring them to boil. Do some stirring to loosen them. After that, switch off the heat and cover it completely, and cannot open it until 30 minutes. But if you cook with flames, after stirring, you need to quickly cover it and do not open it until 30 minutes, because we want a beautiful, perfectly cooked and separated pearls. This is one of the methods, and I find it the easiest one. And after no more big bubbles or boiling, cover it completely. Leave it for 30 minutes. View in my window. It is snowing in spring. 30 minutes over. Great smells of pandan aroma. I think this amount can serve 3 to 4 because dessert is only for cleaning the mouth, so need not too much to consume it. Let me scoop the pearls to show you. Look, they are separated and transparent. Well cooked. Scoop some for photography. Okay, let me try. Delicious. The sweet potato is soft enough, a very nice texture. The sweetness is just nice. But if you want to put some ice, maybe you can put more sugar. Maybe instead of 40 grams sugar, you can put 50 grams sugar. The pandan leaf smells so nice. It gives the aroma of the nutty flavor aroma. Just one small piece of pandan leaf can make my whole apartment smell so good. Amazing. Try cook it, guys, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and share it with your family and friends if you do enjoy it, okay? And if you have not subscribed, please hit subscribe. Happy cooking! Bye-bye!